All right, good Wednesday morning, everybody. We are live chatting about a few things, rain today and a few storms this afternoon, and also our next cold front, which is likely to push through late Sunday night, setting up a colder weather pattern for next week. Highs likely in the 50s on Monday, and more importantly for Halloween next Tuesday. So here's kind of the trend. Lately, the last 4 to 5 days, our models have been depicting, of course, a cold front, but how cold will it be? Right now, we're getting closer, and we're getting more forecast data in, and it looks like highs on Monday and Tuesday will be in the 50s, and morning temperatures or overnight lows will be in the 40s, and even for areas across the hill country, likely in the 30s. So we have some big changes on the way, and that'll push through sometime between Sunday night and Monday morning, also sparking off a pretty good chance at some rain. So if you're getting ready for Halloween in these next couple of days, which I imagine a lot of you are, Halloween night's going to be cold. Lower 50s, likely 6, 7, and 8 p.m. and on and off light rain. I don't think there's going to be any storms around. What this will do is provide what we call an overrunning pattern. So colder air at the surface, there's warm, humid air right above it. What that does is form a lot of cloud cover and some drizzle, mist, and light rain. So that's what we're expecting for Halloween night. Next Tuesday night, as early as Monday, temperatures are going to tumble down. Highs will be in the 50s, it looks like, and lows in the 30s and 40s. So big changes are on the way. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Good morning, Patty. Good morning, David. Hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. It is Wednesday. We're halfway through the week, and we're 6 days away from Halloween. At the moment, it is dry in the city, mostly cloudy, a few breaks out near Morgan's Wonderland Camp, but very similar to yesterday. And just like yesterday, we'll see on and off scattered rain through the morning and through the afternoon. And as a matter of fact, through tonight and tomorrow morning, rain chances go up another level. Storms develop out west, and as they move across our western counties from Del Rio, from Val Verde County to Kerr County, and Gillespie County and farther north of that, there will be some areas around that region, anywhere west and northwest of the hill country, that do receive upwards of 2 to 3 to maybe 4 inches of rain between now and Friday night. San Antonio, less rain. Anywhere south of Bernie will be on lesser coverage of rain, but anywhere between Kerrville and pointing west and north, we'll see even more high coverage of rain. So here's kind of what that looks like on radar, and this will be the trend at least through tomorrow afternoon. Light rain here and there in the San Antonio metro, nothing all that impressive. As a matter of fact, there's not much activity in the city at the moment. But if you zoom in towards Bandera, Kerrville, and between Hondo and Bernie and Kendall County, there is some sporadic scattered rain around, a few moderate downpours across Bandera County. Otherwise, the farther west you go, the higher coverage of rain and storms you'll pick up on. So anywhere from Del Rio, then across Rock Springs, Real County, and Edwards County, and even towards Sonora, I-10, and just west of Junction. That's where a lot of the activity is at this morning. Now notice the trend. This is a radar loop over the last 3 hours. This is moving east towards the hill country. So while Kerrville is only seeing a little bit of light rain around the area right now, I do think by, let's say, lunchtime and through 1 and 2 o'clock, some of this activity is going to move farther east. We'll show you the latest forecast model, but this is the trend right now. San Antonio mostly dry with more storms out west, and some of this will move farther east towards Junction, towards Kerr County and Gillespie County through lunchtime and near 1 and 2 o'clock. You can see looping radar, and what the more sweeping radar is showing, you can see out near Bandera County, it's just very light stuff, right? Nothing all that impressive. Between Campwood and Utopia, a couple of moderate downpours, but where the lightning is at is a line of rain stretching from Bracketville, Del Rio, all the way north into Rock Springs, Sonora, just west of Junction, and all the way up pretty much into San Angelo. And that's sweeping radar. You can see as I put this loop back on, last 3 hours, you can kind of show the pattern of it. It is moving from west to east. So if you're watching from Rock Springs, Anywhere in this area between Camp Wood, Lakey, Utopia, Kerrville, Harper, and Junction, heavy rain is moving in your direction in the next hour or two. Will San Antonio see any of this? I do think most of the heavy rain will stay out west this morning and this afternoon. With that being said, we'll see more rain develop from the south, and that'll spark off more scattered showers in our area. But the heaviest storm activity looks like it's going to be farther west, so something to keep in mind. Will Eagle Pass get more rain? Yeah, I would say, so you can see out near Eagle Pass. Vince is asking, good morning, Vince. Yeah, so I would say Eagle Pass probably going to get some more on and off showers and even some on and off non-severe storms probably in the next hour or two. So if you're watching from Eagle Pass, north of Laredo, west of Crystal City, and west of Uvalde, there is rain moving in y'all's direction, and this will be the pattern for the rest of our Wednesday. So that's something to keep in mind. Have an umbrella handy just in case. Go slow on the roads. Anywhere out east is dry, but anywhere out west is picking up on more rain, and the radar is getting a little bit more active and busy this morning. And San Antonio, again, dry if you're just joining in, mostly dry in the city, but anywhere out west is where really the rain is starting to ramp up and increase in intensity at this moment. Camp Wood, some moderate rain to your east, and again, more thunderstorm action just outside of Rock Springs between there, Highway 277, I-10, and between Sonora and Junction. This is all moving farther east towards Junction and Harper and Gillespie County and Kerr County as well. In San Antonio, it's dry at 79 degrees. It's 80 at Stinson. Southeast winds will be breezy again today, just like the last couple days. It's humid. It's very muggy outside. It's the cloud cover and the pattern in place. These southeast winds, while they're breezy at times, moving at 20 to 25 miles an hour through this evening. That's what's keeping the humidity high. So it's very muggy. It's warmer than average. Our normal high this time of year is 79. Instead, it'll be at 85 today, about 6 degrees above the October normal. And through about 5, 6, and 7 p.m. tonight, mostly cloudy. A few breaks in the sky through 1 and 2 p.m. Otherwise, on and off scattered rain with a few moderate to heavy downpours in the area, but again, anywhere west or north of San Antonio towards the Hill Country, towards Kerr County, Gillespie County, towards Del Rio and Eagle Pass, better chance at seeing more heavy rain and more widespread activity for today. So here's the look and forecast model. I might have to adjust this real quick because it's not initializing the best at the moment, so give me a little bit of time, guys. Tony, so the heaviest rain will be farther west for the next couple hours, but through 3, 4, and 5 p.m. this evening, and even towards 7 and 8 o'clock, just on and off scattered rain. Most of the heaviest rain and thunderstorms will be out west towards Kerrville, towards Rock Springs, and San Antonio, likely just kind of on and off scattered rain here and there through tonight, so something to keep in mind. All right, so that is the high resolution model. Let me just double check and see what the HRRR is going for. HRRR initializing a little bit better on the rain that's out there this morning. So we're going to use this particular model because it has a better idea and handle on the storms out there at the moment. So it's the HRRR model. All right, so between now, so watch this, we're going to go through time hour by hour, so through 11 and 12 o'clock, a couple of moderate downpours moving near Kerrville, Bernie, through lunchtime between here, Hondo, the Hill Country, a couple of moderate to heavy downpours here and there, and then maybe a break in activity for the next couple hours through 3 o'clock, and then here comes another wave of rain by about 5, 6, and 7 p.m., again, mostly across the Hill Country. For Rock Springs, Kerrville, and Fredericksburg, you have a better chance at seeing more storms and more rain, more scattering to numerous showers. By tonight, another wave of rain moves towards northern San Antonio, but notice the trend in this kind of pattern. 11 o'clock tonight through midnight, heavy rain across the Hill Country. Fredericksburg, towards Sonora, Rock Springs, Kerrville, and then by tomorrow morning, it's going to start off damp. So early Thursday, 6, 7, 8 a.m. as you get out to work early tomorrow morning. Some light to moderate rain, a couple of moderate to heavy downpours at times between here, the southeast side of San Antonio, Floresville, Seguin, San Marcos, up I-35 towards Austin, And this rain chance will linger through the afternoon on Thursday, while some of our western counties will clear out tomorrow afternoon. Most of San Antonio and the metro will stay cloudy with some lingering showers and storms through tomorrow night. So we're in this active pattern where rain chances are running at 40 to 70%. Of course, higher chances north of San Antonio, especially between now and tomorrow morning. Better chances for areas around the metro late tonight through early Thursday. And then watch what happens by tomorrow night late, mostly cloudy. And then Friday morning, Friday early, we'll see a couple of lingering showers here in the area. But rain chances still look pretty good through at least Friday afternoon. So something to keep in mind. Let's double check this right here. Make sure it's popping out. And here's a wider view of things. You'll see, again, wave of rain moving in between now and Thursday morning. Lingering showers Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. And then here comes our long-range model. Everyone's wondering about the cold front. It'll move through sometime between Sunday night and Monday morning. The forecast models have been trending sooner, at least faster on the forecast, progressive timing on the frontal boundary itself as it passes through the area. But again, right now we're calling for a Sunday night passage for this next cold front. Highs in the 80s Saturday and Sunday, but Monday and Tuesday as the front pushes through, rain on the backside of the system, but also cooler air and highs likely in the 50s and even some 40s on Monday and Tuesday next week. So here it is. Let's do this real quick. So again, highs this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 80s. Sunday night, here it is, 6 p.m. Sunday evening. Cold front moving through North Texas. If you're watching from Midland, Odessa, Amarillo, Dallas, and Fort Worth, the cold front will move through your area first and then move through San Antonio sometime around, let's say, 11 p.m. or around midnight in the area. And then behind the front, Monday morning going to be a huge change from the 80s Monday afternoon to the 40s Monday morning. So it's going to be our first decent strong cold front, and as you progress into Monday evening, highs in the 50s, morning lows by Tuesday early in the 40s, and then Tuesday afternoon, which by the way is Halloween. Let's backtrack this. It looks like Tuesday evening, 7, 8, 9 o'clock for trick-or-treats. Temperatures will be in the lower 50s and upper 40s. Again, this is a long-range model. We'll get better data and probably by Friday and Saturday, but big takeaway, it's going to be a lot colder. And in the meantime, on and off scattered rain today. Same thing for tomorrow, a few storms possible Thursday morning. Then same thing for Friday. Rain chances trend down by Saturday and Sunday. Notice the highs, middle 80s, warmer than average, lows in the lower 70s. And then here comes the fall off, 54 on Monday and 54 for Halloween on Tuesday, with temperatures in the 40s for the overnights. So a lot going on. I'll leave it on the forecast a little longer, guys. Again, big changes are on the way between now and Sunday. More rain. Best chance at rain is between now and probably about Friday, with a few storms possible between now and Friday afternoon. Temperature at 85 on Saturday, and then here comes the fall off Monday and Tuesday, 54 degrees, and then overnight lows falling into the lower 40s. So get ready for that. Let me put it on radar one more time before we say goodbye. Let's do this. Let's see. So at the moment, guys, if you're watching from the city, it is dry, but anywhere from Fair Oaks Ranch, a few sprinkles, and especially around there in Bernie, Bandera County, more light rain out there. Campwood, same thing. Heaviest storms out near Rock Springs between there and Sonora, and there to Del Rio. But again, watch the trend. Between now and earlier this morning, it's all been moving farther east towards us. So between now and tonight, 7 and 8 p.m., we'll see again on and off scattered rain, a few downpours and a few storms will certainly be possible in the area across San Antonio, Kerrville, the Hill Country. Heaviest rain will be across our Hill Country counties: Gillespie County, Kerr County, Bandera County, towards Real, and Edwards County and Valverde County as well. So we'll leave it on the forecast, the 7-day a little longer, guys. And right here, there we go. Cold front Sunday night into Monday morning. That'll drop highs from the 80s to the 50s. That'll be a 30-degree swing for the holiday. Get ready for a cold Halloween. Trick-or-treat temperatures likely in the upper 40s and lower 50s. It's going to be a huge change on the way late Sunday night.